All right, guys, welcome. Welcome to DBA, Daily Digital Course. This is for newbies. This is for people already with digital products, already in business, wants to learn some more skill as far as getting results now. This program, you see, I've been through a lot of it. I've been through what I needed right away. I still have some stuff I got to get in, go in and look at, but I've been through most of it. This stuff is new, but I've went in. It's just not a regular course that people are just trying to make money with. It actually has some good skill, has a lot of PLR products. So if you come over to my website, I have a Canva crash course that is pretty nice. So I have a Canva crash course that I'm selling for $25. I got it in the PLR um, portion of it. There's over 50 PLR products in here you can use and resell. So you can have some other stuff that, business owners might want. Maybe they don't want to join your business or buy your course, but you can have some stuff that's going to help them. This is amazing. This program is you can run it really through any system, but the people here run it through Beacons, Stand Store. I run it through my high level software, which that's more, for seasoned marketers. So Stand Store, you can get 30 days free. Just let me know, and I'll send you my Stand Store link, or you can get it when you're going through the training. They connect everything. Stand Store pays through Stripe and they pay through PayPal. PayPal makes you do a business account. So if you need help with that, I'll help you set that up as well. If not, you can use YouTube, etc. But that's how you're going to set it up. You see my website. I'll show you once again. Here's my website. This is through High Level. High Level allows me to do a whole bunch of stuff. It allows me to do link trees, websites, funnels, automation, chat. It lets me do everything. So it's a little more pricey, but in the long run, mastering something like High Level lets you earn everything. I actually need to put that link here as well, to High Level for people. You see, I have my social media. I made this myself. I can make it look how I want. So that when you're making your Stripe account, if for some reason you get going and you're already starting, a nice tip is Stripe allows digital products, but they want to make sure that you're not in a high risk, make money online type of program. So they want to make sure you're actually doing digital products, you're actually doing service-based stuff like this. So here's a mock website I have with High Level, and I made a free one with Weebly. So this is what you guys are going to do, because when Stripe asks you for your business information and a website, you want to provide them a website like this. Even if it doesn't have everything filled out, you want to give them this so they know you're a real, digital business and not just some make money online stuff that's gonna, scam people. So creative, you can use their mock websites and just, add your stuff, make it into a digital marketing business. You see here, I just have basic stuff, marketing. Do you have a business in mind? And, I just put forms on here, and and this is what you're going to submit to your website via Stripe. And, once you set up those things, everything else is easy work. And then when you make it back to the product, you're going to learn, everything. I mean, you're going to set up everything. And then you're going to start learning how to do stuff, how to post. And I mean, it's detailed. It's super detailed, showing you exactly, I already know Canva, but I'll probably go look at it anyways. I know a lot of this stuff, but a lot of you don't know any of this stuff. So it even has, other stuff, for women that, want to do other stuff when you start making money. Affiliate marketing course, Airbnb. So I mean, this is a course that I added. Just it's inexpensive. Plus, you can do a payment plan. I have payment plans. You can use a firm and get it for 20 some dollars a month. So it's only $111 for this course one time. So I mean, this is a great product to have on your store. So if you want more information on how to launch this or any of my other businesses, I have a range, variety of businesses. Information is going to be below. Hop on that. Start your online business. You have the money for it. You have 2 hours a day, and let's make some money.